Today on the Reggae Kitchen Show, we're going to cook a quick brown stew fish. It's a kingfish right here. You can see it's already cleaned and ready to go. And you can see I got some onions, some tomato. I got some scallions and some green onions. I got some carrots going on over here. I got some bell peppers, all different color bell peppers. I got some okras. I got some thyme. I got some garlic and I got some ginger. Over here is some like a fish seasoning and some little black pepper, a little salt. So over here, I'm going to show you quickly what we're going to do. We're going to sprinkle some of this over here. Right, let's sprinkle some, right? That'll be too much. And let's, kind of get everything in the pot, kind of rub up. Yeah. Alright, right, so get that kind of rub up in the pot. To here we're gonna put some oil in the pot. Put some oil in the pot. We're gonna get our fish. Pot is very hot, so be careful, don't burn yourself. So here we brown in the fish a little bit, right? You can't see them not too brown, them just right brown. And we're going to take them out of the pot right now because that's enough brown for them. Right, so we're going to take them out of the pot right now. Alright. Whoa. Be careful you break them up. Right. So right now they're in the pot, and the next move now is that we're gonna grab the brown sugar. A brown stew fish, the way a Reggae Kitchen way in Passion cook. We don't use them artificial browning and them stuff while going. We get the brown sugar and make the brown sugar brown. A grandma way this real authentic Jamaican cooking in the kitchen. This is no fake thing, no fake stuff or nothing. A lot of chefs out there fakes. Them hurry up and watch YouTube and learn how to cook. And watch other people things and learn how to cook and say them a chef and them a cook and them can't cook. So watch this brown sugar going brown up. And we're going to caramelize the vegetables and everything in it. We get to a brown stew. That's how we do it. Real Reggae Kitchen thing. Stay tuned. Watch it. Now you can see how my sugar melt up in the pot. Caramelize, brown up, bubble up. Right? Now you can start do them thing. Now you can start put some things in the pot and brown them up. I got everything in the pot. Now I'm going to put some water. So now you can see that I'm putting all of the vegetables them in the pot. The scallion, the everything. And now I'm going to put in the fish. Now all the fish is in the pot. You can see all the fish in the pot. So now I'll cover up this pot here and make this pot here just bubble down and just stew down. And when you come back, you're going to say brown stew kingfish. Stay tuned. Reggae Kitchen. Remember, cook with the Reggae Kitchen jerk sauce all the time. Spice up the things. So we need a little pepper in this thing. We don't have no pepper. So here we're gonna, nice up this little thing here with a little bit of the spice from the Reggae Kitchen jerk chicken thing. Yeah. Reggae Kitchen jerk seasoning. jerk sauce, see it ya? I will just put a little bit for the spice up the things. So stay tuned. I want to come back with the things. Brown stew fish.